all, let's try to ignore these bad boys right here. I don't know what to do with them. I just do not know. Anyway, this video is going to be another storytime video, and for some reason, I love filming storytime videos. I mentioned in my Q&A video a little of my immigration experience, and I asked you guys if you want to hear more of it, and a lot of you said yes, go ahead and share. So I will go ahead and share. So, na-hold ako sa immigration 2 beses na. So I'm gonna tell you guys those 2 incidents and kung bakit and all that ish. Okay, before the actual story time starts, I just wanna say I salute all the immigration officers kasi hindi madali yung trabaho nila, guys. They are literally protecting us. So I get it. Nung una ko itong na-experience, sabi ko, wow, you guys are way too freaking much. But you know, sa daming beses ko nung nag-travel, nakita ko na talaga yung situation. Parang naintindihan ko na, yeah, I deserve to be interrogated. Nung in-interrogate nila ako ng bonggang-bongga. Hindi madali yung trabaho nila. And yeah, bonggang-bongga kayo. Be nice to me, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna start with the very first time na na-interrogate ako sa immigration. This happened in Manila. So it was my very first time na lumabas ng bansa, you guys. Nagpunta ako ng Singapore. And very first time, yung passport ko, sobrang bagong-bago yung passport ko. Walang tatak ng kung anik-anik. As in, sobrang bago siya. My flight was Cebu to Manila, Manila to Singapore. I did not have any idea at all about Cebu to Singapore flight. I was stupid, okay? It was my first time. Again, it was my very first international flight. Wala akong idea na I will go through immigration. All I know was I need to bring my passport. That's it. And literally, yun lang yung dala ko, you guys. May dala akong isang maleta. Chinek-in ko yung luggage ko. I did not know what happened there. Pagkadating ko ng Manila, kinailangan kong kunin yung luggage ko and then go through immigration. Tapos check-in na naman. I did not understand why. It was the same airline, Philippine Airlines. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Maybe because alam nila na i-interrogate ako ng immigration. Like, you know, just in case I can't make it to my flight, at least I have my luggage with me. You know, maybe. Kasi usually naman talaga yung luggage, especially if it's the same airline, makukuha mo siya sa final destination. But then again, that flight was different. Now, airport in Manila was freaking crazy. It was my very first time in Manila. Sobrang haba ng pila na hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Sabi ko, wait, where should I go? Tapos yung iba, meron silang slip na hindi ko alam kung saan nila kinuha. Ang dami-daming tao. It was such a chaos. Sobrang gulo nun. Dala-dala ko yung luggage ko, ha. Sobrang gulo. May mga tao na may dala nitong slip na hindi ko alam kung saan kukunin. It's the departure card. I found out na kailangan kong mag-fill up ng departure card. Kapag nag-go through ako ng immigration, ipapakita ko yung departure card ko. So, hinanap ko kung saan siya. Nahanap ko siya. Nag-fill up ako ng departure card. And then, nag-line ako for immigration. Hindi ako kinabahan at all kasi wala namang rason para kabahan ako. Hindi ko naman kasi alam kung ano na itong mangyayari. May inisip ko talaga, I have my passport. It's freaking legit. So, why not, right? Like, I should not have any problems at all. Natapat ako sa isang babae na immigration officer. Naka-eyeglass ata siya noon. Mabait siya. Sobrang bait niya tingnan. Mabait tingnan. Pero you know, napakalma ng itsura niya. Unlike others na parang galit na galit sa mundo. But siya, super calm. Super mabait tingnan. Sabi niya, nasan yung return ticket mo? Sabi ko, ha? Kailangan ba yung return ticket? I have a return ticket, of course. Pero hindi ko siya print kasi nga wala akong kaalam-alam. Sabi ko, I have a return ticket but nasa email ko eh. Hindi ko siya print. Tapos, pa-open siya ng passport. Oh, so first time mo lumabas naman sa, oo, anong gagawin mo doon? So, sinabi ko sa kanya kung anong gagawin ko doon. It was work-related. So, I was really confident na, you know, I should make it. No problem. So, she went through all my passport pages. Like, lahat talaga ng page. And I was like, wait, what's going on? Doon ako naka-feel ng kaba. And then, she said, come on, follow me. Sabi ko, oh my God, ito na yun, ito na yun. So, napunta ako sa office nila. Iba na yung taong kinausap ko, hindi na yung babae. So, yung babae, bumalik siya sa station niya, and kinausap ko yung lalaki. He was asking me questions, hindi siya tumitingin sa akin. Parang meron siyang ginagawa, sulat-sulat siya. Oh, saan ka pupunta? Tapos sinabi ko, Singapore. Anong gagawin mo doon? So, sinabi ko sa kanya, meron po akong return ticket, nasa email ko, I can show you right now. For some reason, I don't remember, parang walang wifi sa NAIA or hindi ako makakonect. Basta, I couldn't get on my email. Sabi niya, oh, may computer dyan, i-open mo. And I was so thankful kasi meron silang computer. Like, mapapakita ko talaga sa kanila na, hey, may return ticket ako, hindi ko lang print kasi wala akong kalam-alam na kailangan pala ng ganun. Pinakita ko sa kanya yung return ticket ko sa email ko. Tapos, pinakita ko din sa kanya yung hotel booking ko. And itong lalaking to, while nasa computer ako, and dinahanap ko yung return ticket ko at saka yung hotel booking ko, chinecheck niya din yung every single page ng passport ko. Tapos, meron siyang parang sinescan niya somewhere just to make sure it's legit. every single page. Now, I do not worry about that at all kasi I'm pretty sure mine is legit. So, he was checking that while asking me questions. Anong gagawin mo doon? Ilang araw ka doon? Sino kasama mo doon? Sinasagot ko siya with confidence. Dumating sa point na tinatanong niya ako, magkano yung sweldo mo? Ganun. I was like, wait, that's way too personal. I don't know if it's just me, but I don't like it when people ask you how much you make. I don't like that. I don't ask people that. I don't want to be asked that. And I don't think it was necessary for him to ask me that question. Parang na-shock ako na parang hindi ko alam kung sasagutan ko siya. Kasi parang, bakit mo yan tinatanong, nakakaloka ka? So, nainis na ako kasi sobrang tagal na. And he was asking me same questions over and over again. Hindi ko alam, what's your point? So, habang tinatanong niya ako ng same questions over and over again, I was looking for the, I think it was a memo or something na, like, you know, mapapakita sa kanya na it was work-related. So, I was able to find it. It was sent to me like mga a month before ako pumunta ng Singapore. So, medyo matagal ko siya nahanap. But nahanap ko siya finally, pinakita ko siya sa lalaki. 30 minutes na lang before ako mag-board, kinakabahan ako ng bonggang-bongga, dala-dala ko pa yung luggage ko, nakakaloka talaga. Nasa kanya pa rin yung passport ko, hindi niya binalik sa akin at all, hanggang sa pinakita ko sa kanya yung memo or whatever that was. Pinakita ko sa kanya, and sabi niya, okay, sabi niya, parang nakakaloka naman to si kuya, parang okay nga lang, hindi pa masabi ng maayos. So pinabalik niya ako dun sa original window na nandun ako, yung babaeng mabait. Binigay ko sa kanya yung passport, tinatakan niya, and I made it, you guys. Dun ko na-learn yung lesson ko na hindi lang yung passport mo yung kailangan mo, te, huwag kang tanga. So, sa mga next trip ko, minimake sure ko na talaga na dala-dala ko yung return ticket ko, tapos hotel booking, any invitation proving na you're going to this country for this reason and whatnot. Next trip ko, I think bumalik ako ng Singapore, tapos nagpunta ako ng Hong Kong. Okay na kasi alam ko na yung gagawin ko. So, I had no problems at all until bumalik ako ng Singapore. So, mga pangatlong balik ko na siya sa Singapore. Now, hindi ito work-related this time. And this is so freaking crazy. Whew. So, meron akong imi-meet na tao sa Singapore. Now, this is going to be another story time videos. I met someone online and we decided to meet. And gusto ko mag-travel. Gusto ko pumunta ng Bali. Gusto ko pumunta ng Indonesia. So, sabi ko sa kanya, mag-meet tayo somewhere. Tapos, punta tayo ng Bali. This is someone na hindi ko pa nakita in person, ha? You guys, do not do this, okay? But I was sure na okay siya. Like, we've been talking for so long. So, okay na okay kami. We're just friends though. We went to that place, hoping na it will work. But yeah, yun yung rason kung bakit babalik ako ng Singapore, because I'm going to meet this guy, tapos pupunta kami ng Indonesia. Okay? If you want me to do a story time video on that, let me know below. I will share it with you guys if you're up to it. Let me know. And ayoko kasi na magsinungaling sa kanila. So, sinabi ko sa kanila, pupunta ako doon, imi-meet ko tong taong to, and pupunta kami ng Jakarta, tapos pupunta kami ng Bali, ng bonggang-bongga. And I've been out of the country like maybe 6 times na before this trip. Nagpunta ako sa window, and tinanong nila, saan ka pupunta? I have a return ticket. Tapos kami pang dalawa nakalagay sa return ticket kasi babalik siya with me sa Philippines. And then meron din akong hotel booking na wala pa kaming nabook na hotel sa Bali. Hindi pa namin siya binook. Mag-decide kami kung which hotel kami magsistay kapag nasa Singapore na kami. So wala kaming hotel booking sa Bali. Pinakita ko sa kanila yung hotel booking ko ng Singapore lang. We stayed in Singapore for only 2 nights, I guess. And that's the only hotel booking I can show. Kasi nga, hindi pa namin binook yung hotel namin sa Jakarta at saka sa Bali. Sabi niya, okay, punta ka na lang doon. This happened sa Cebu na airport, ha. So, nagpunta ako doon sa maliit na table na merong immigration officer. At tapos maraming pasahero doon, guys, na hold. So, I was, I think, 3rd sa linya nung time na yon. So, kinilangan pa niya interrogate yung dalawang tao ahead of me before ako ma-interrogate. And I was like, dang, can I make it to my flight? Like, you know, I don't wanna miss my flight. Interrogate yung isa, and interrogate yung isa, tapos it was my turn. Now, it was very uncomfortable in my part kasi wala kami sa isang room. Nandun lang talaga kami sa open space. Meron siyang table, meron akong chair. Ang daming makakarinig, tapos marami pang nakalinya na naka-hold din. Sabi niya, anong gagawin mo doon? Sabi ko, magkikipag-meet ako sa friend ko. Nakakaloka talaga. It was so embarrassing, you guys. So ano, boyfriend mo na ba to? Mga ganon? No, hindi. Hindi, friends lang kami. Of course, hindi sila maniniwala. Like, kung ako naman, hindi ako maniniwala, friends mo lang talaga. But seriously, we were just friends. Sure ka ba na walang gagawin masama sa itong taong to? Ilang months na kayong kausap na to, and we were talking for like, I think a year. Like, not like talking every day, but you know, I know him enough na alam ko na mabuti siyang tao. Hindi naman ako tanga na pumunta doon kung alam kong magiging peligro yung buhay ko, diba? Like, sobrang paranoid ko na tao. So, I always wanna make sure na safe ako, diba? Hanggang sa lumating kami sa point na sabi niya, bakit wala kayong hotel sa Bali? Bakit wala kayong hotel sa Jakarta? Pupunta ka ng Jakarta. Because I have all the tickets to show na this is my flight to Jakarta, this is my flight to Bali. Pinakita ko sa kanila lahat ng tickets and it was under my name kasi ako nagbayad ng mga tickets ko. Like, you know, showing them I'm capable to travel. Pero again, I get it. I understand. They just wanna make sure that I'm gonna be safe and whatnot. Sometimes kasi the way they ask the question, it's kind of rude. They look at you from head to toe and be like, anong gagawin mo doon? Nainis na ako but I stayed calm and confident because again, hindi ako nagsisinungaling. Pupunta lang talaga ako doon for a quick holiday with a freaking friend. What's up, right? Di ko na maalala lahat ng tinanong niya. Dumating kami sa point na merong dumating na kaibigan niya, parang napadaan lang. Kasi literally, you guys, daanan siya ng mga pasahero yung papunta sa terminal nila. So, nakita niya yung friend niya. They were talking. And you guys, I was there sitting, waiting for her to release me. Like, please release me, let me go. Yeah. Hanggang sa tinanong siya na kaibigan niya, ano ba problema na to? Paano yung kaibigan niya, nagiging immigration officer na rin ng bonggang-bongga para lang may pag-usapan, diba? Sabi niya, makikipagkita daw siya sa boyfriend niya. Nainis ako kasi, why you gotta be so rude? Pero, I was still calm and relaxed. Sabi ko, no, he's not my boyfriend. Like, I'm meeting a friend. I'm actually thankful na dumating yung friend niya kasi pagdating ng friend niya, parang gusto pa niya makipagtsikahan and nandun ako literally waiting. So, nirelease niya ako, you guys. Sabi niya, oh, okay na to. So, bumalik ako sa window. I got my stamp and I made it. I'm so thankful na dumating yung friend niya kasi kung hindi dumating, mas matatagalan ako doon. Nung time na yun ha, sobrang naiinis ako, sobrang galit na galit ako sa immigration. But going back to it, I get it. Like, I understand why you guys are doing that. Pero that was the last time na na-interrogate ako. Yun lang. And the next trips ko, okay na okay na. As I mentioned in my Q&A video, yung Philippines talaga yung pinaka-stricto. Sa lahat ng immigration na puntahan ko, walang katulad talaga yung Philippines. I can't blame them though, kasi ang dami din naman Pilipino na nagsisinungaling na pupunta daw sa ibang bansa as a tourist pero magtatrabaho pala ng bonggang-bongga. Iniisip lang nila yung safety natin. So, ang init na. Yeah, let me know if you want to hear that international date of mine. Hindi ko alam kasi kung ano ita-title ko doon, guys. Gusto ko na sana siyang ikwento matagal na, pero ano ma ita-title ko doon? That experience was so freaking funny as well. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I did that to myself. That's it for this video. Please do like if you want more story time videos. Subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you in my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye, guys!